Welcome to this brief tutorial on how to replace URLs in WordPress. In this session you will learn the essential steps needed to update your URL slugs efficiently, and by the end you will have a clear understanding of how to navigate through the WordPress administration interface. We begin by directing your focus to the WordPress website. Open your preferred web browser and visit the WordPress homepage. Once the page loads, locate the login option typically found at the top right corner of the screen. This is your gateway to accessing the administrative features necessary for editing your posts. After clicking on the login option, you will see several methods for signing into your account. For this tutorial, you will use the authentication process via a well-known service. When prompted, select the continue option that allows you to sign in with your Google account. At this point, a new window or tab may open, presenting you with a list of your Google accounts. Choose the one that is associated with your WordPress account to proceed without interruption. This step streamlines the login process, ensuring that you quickly get to the content management aspect. Once you are successfully logged in, your next focus should be on finding the Posts section. Navigate to the area of the WordPress dashboard where your posts are listed. It is common for WordPress installations to provide a dedicated menu tab or side panel item labeled simply as Posts. Click on this tab to see a list of your existing posts. This section is where you can manage, edit or delete content as necessary. Within the post list, locate the option to quickly edit one of your posts. The quick edit feature is designed to allow you to make rapid changes without opening the full post editing screen. By selecting the quick edit option for the post you wish to modify, you bring up a simplified interface where you can change various post attributes. One of these is the URL slug, which represents the part of the URL that is unique to your post. A clear and concise slug not only makes your URL more user-friendly, but also improves your site's SEO. After activating the quick edit mode, you will see an option to change the URL slug. Enter a new slug that fits your content better, ensuring it reflects the key themes or topics discussed in your post. This is an important moment because the URL slug plays a significant role in making your content accessible and searchable. Take a moment to verify the spelling, punctuation, and overall structure of the new slug so that it meets best practices for URL creation. Once you are confident that the updated slug is exactly as you want it, proceed to confirm your change. Click on the update button to apply the modification to the post. This final step ensures that WordPress saves the new URL settings immediately, and your post now carries the updated address. With the update complete, your work is successfully saved and the process is now finished. This tutorial has provided you with a straightforward method to log into WordPress, navigate to your posts, use the quick edit feature, change the URL slug, and update your content. In just a few minutes, you have learned how important it is to maintain clear and precise URL structures, which can help improve both usability and search engine optimization on your website. Enjoy the benefits of an updated and more effective URL configuration.